Do you know what cryptocurrency is for sure? More individuals are using it every day to conduct transactions or even make incredible profits. But the question that keeps coming to your mind is what exactly cryptocurrency is. To address all of your questions, we decided to explain what cryptocurrency truly is for novices through this video. Real Nifty will explain what cryptocurrency is and how it works. We'll also discuss the benefits of using cryptocurrency and other important information that you need to know as a beginner. So now, let's begin. Cryptocurrency is a type of digital currency that functions independently of a central authority, such as the US Federal Reserve or Bank of England. It can be used for either purchases or investments. Although it is most frequently associated with investments, the term digital currency refers to an asset whose value is represented by computer code rather than tangible money that you can hold in your hands. When it comes to decentralization, what we mean is that cryptocurrency isn't controlled or supported by any government because of our government. There is no single authority in charge of cryptocurrency's price and trends. Users all over the world set cryptocurrency pricing and trends. But why did cryptocurrency exist in the first place? Who created it? Let's have a look at how it all began. Satoshi Nakamoto, the creator of the first cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, developed it and published it in 2009. He tried to develop a method that would allow users to make and receive transactions without depending on anybody else. The cryptocurrency was created to allow everyone to be independent and make transactions with anybody they choose without depending on banks or governments. You may think of cryptocurrency as a specific code that transforms your smartphone or PC, having additional capabilities. Pay anyone simply by using your phone, entering their address, and sending assets in seconds. What is the most intriguing thing about cryptocurrency? You might be wondering how to utilize cryptocurrencies yourself, given that this technology is new and not widely understood. There are several options for you to use Bitcoin in any scenario imaginable. You can utilize it to conduct business with lightning speed and at the lowest fees conceivable. It enables you to transmit payments without having to go through the same tedious procedure that banks do. You won't have to rely on banks to transfer your money. Aside from this, you may keep cryptocurrency tokens for an extended period so that their value might rise and you may sell them at that point to make a profit. There are several advantages to choosing cryptocurrency over fiat currency that you may not have considered. Any manner of currency other than digital currency, the actual currency, and the dollar bill can also be utilized. We all know that these fiat currencies are governed by the government. This implies you must trust the government to establish the value of their money. You may, however, utilize decentralized digital currency to set your own price for goods and services. You may also use it to acquire anything you want, like regular dollars. Increasing numbers of businesses in every sector are converting their payment systems to accept cryptocurrency for purchases, including Tesla's electric cars. It's impossible to send fiat currencies at the same rate as cryptocurrencies are sent, and the fees you must pay when sending money through a bank are also reduced to the minimum in the case of cryptocurrency. In other words, cryptocurrency allows you to be your own employer and send funds to anybody, anywhere in the world. So far, do you like how this video is going? If you do, give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you wish to watch more insightful and entertaining videos like this, hit that subscribe button. Now that you know what cryptocurrency is, are you excited to use cryptocurrency? Then you better continue watching this video. The next question that you may now have is how to acquire cryptocurrency. There are a variety of cryptocurrency exchanges available in the form of applications and software that allow you to buy, sell, and store cryptocurrencies. All you have to do is sign up for an account on the exchange, move funds from your bank account to your exchange account, and begin buying cryptocurrency. The most popular cryptocurrency exchanges are Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. Coinbase is one of the most popular cryptocurrency exchanges available and is often recommended for beginners. It's an American company that has been operational since 2012 and allows you to buy and sell cryptocurrencies with fiat currencies. Binance is another popular cryptocurrency exchange that was founded in China but later relocated to Malta. It allows you to trade cryptocurrencies with other users on the platform and doesn't require you to convert your fiat currency into cryptocurrency. Kraken is a US-based cryptocurrency exchange that was founded in 2011. It's one of the largest exchanges available and allows you to trade cryptocurrencies with other users. To make transactions very easily and without losing any funds, you will need your cryptocurrency wallet. There are two types of cryptocurrency wallets: software wallets and hardware wallets. Software wallets are applications that you can download on your computer or phone that allow you to buy, sell, and store cryptocurrencies. One of the most popular software wallets is the MetaMask wallet. Hardware wallets are physical devices that look like USB drives that allow you to buy, sell, and store cryptocurrencies. The most popular hardware wallet is the Trezor. One of the software wallets we accept at Real Nifty is the MetaMask desktop wallet. However, there are also hardware wallets like Ledger that keep your assets extra safe. New bitcoins or other crypto coins are introduced to the market through the mining process. The truth is that currency mining is a tough, complex, and laborious process. Miners must have powerful computers to solve mathematical puzzles, and when they finish solving these algorithms, they are rewarded with crypto coins such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. A block reward is given to the miner who creates a block. The miner that generates the next block in the blockchain is compensated with some amount of Bitcoins. Hashing is the process of taking an input string of any length and giving out an output of a fixed length. In cryptocurrency, hashing is used for transaction verification and block generation. The most popular hashing algorithm used by cryptocurrencies is the SHA-256 algorithm. This algorithm outputs a 256-bit hash, which is a number between 0 and 2 to the power of 256 minus 1. Cryptocurrency wallets use public and private keys to access your funds. A public key is like your bank account number, while a private key is like your PIN number. Your public key is what you give to someone so they can send you cryptocurrency. Your private key is what you use to access your cryptocurrency. If someone gets a hold of your private key, they can access your cryptocurrency. That's why it's important to keep your private keys safe and secure. Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual tokens that use cryptography to secure their transactions and to control the creation of new units. How could you use cryptocurrencies today? Cryptocurrencies can be used to purchase goods and services, or they can be held as an investment. Some people use cryptocurrencies as a store of value, like gold or silver. Others use them for speculation, hoping to sell them later at a higher price. You can also use cryptocurrencies to buy other cryptocurrencies. This is called trading. You can trade cryptocurrencies on exchanges, or you can trade them directly with other people. Cryptocurrencies can also be used to raise money for startups and businesses. This is called an initial coin offering, or ICO. In an ICO, a business sells digital tokens to investors in exchange for cryptocurrency. ICOs are a new and popular way to raise money for businesses, but they're also risky. Before investing in an ICO, make sure you do your research and understand the risks involved. So how do we think cryptocurrency will change the world? Cryptocurrencies have the potential to change the world because they offer a new way of handling transactions. With cryptocurrencies, there is no need for banks or other financial institutions. Transactions are peer-to-peer, which means that they can be conducted directly between two people without the need for a third party. This could make transactions cheaper and faster. Cryptocurrencies also have the potential to change the world because they are decentralized. This means that there is no one central authority that controls them. Instead, they are controlled by a network of computers around the world. This could make them more resistant to government control and manipulation. So while there are many risks associated with cryptocurrencies, there is also the potential for them to change the world for the better. It will be interesting to see how they develop in the coming years. That's all for today. Do you have any questions about cryptocurrencies? Don't hesitate to ask your question in the comments area below before moving on to anything else. Thank you for watching this video, and good luck with your first cryptocurrency investments. See you later on the next Real Nifty video. Stay tuned! So while there are many risks associated with cryptocurrencies, there is also the potential for them to change the world for the better. It will be interesting to see how they develop in the coming years. That's all for today. Do you have any questions about cryptocurrencies? Don't hesitate to ask your question in the comments area below before moving on to anything else. Thank you for watching this video, and good luck with your first cryptocurrency investment. See you later in the next Real Nifty video. Stay tuned!